Hi, welcome to our program, and today we are going to talk about this topic that is really exciting and at the same time really dangerous if you want to see it. Why? Because we want to talk about pornography. Now, why people watch pornography? And this is quite interesting because I can tell you that we human beings are attracted to sexuality. Imagine if we wouldn't be attracted to sexuality, we would not be as many as we are in this world. We actually probably will be extincted, because sexuality is something that is important for basically being alive in this world. Now, the problem with pornography is that it can create an addiction. The problem with pornography is that when we watch and we create an addiction, the things just change in your life. Let's think about it. What are the consequences of the pornography? Number one is your mind get wired in a way that you actually do not get excited anymore about anything if you are not watching the things that you need to watch. And that is something really sad, because when you will be with your wife, hopefully in the future, or with your husband, you will actually be thinking about something different. The other thing is you just lose interest of sexual activities. Why? Because is in a sense, when you get addicted, you're watching the TV and then you have the person next to you and it doesn't look like exactly the same as the TV. And so it's like, if it's not the same thing, what I do with this, you know? The next thing is you get desensitized. And why is this so horrible in a sense? Is because in reality, once you start watching pornography, the first couple movies, the real thing and things like that, you get excited. But after you watch and watch, you just lose interest and you're looking for something more aggressive, something bigger, something in a different way. So in a sense, you are desensitized of who you are, of who you want to be, or who the relationship you want to be. In everything, you're looking for something that is different. Now, what is interesting in the case of teenagers is when you watch pornography, you really lower your self-esteem. And why do you lower your self-esteem? Because we tend to compare ourselves. So if you watch this guy in the movie that is big and things like that, and then you look yourself and you're like skinny and you say, oh my God, you see I'm not the same. So you lose what it is, the self-esteem. The other thing is that you weaken your ability to carry out meaningful relationships. And why? Because once you are addicted to something, you are so focused on those things that you are addicted to, that you don't have time to really talk with other people. And that is something really sad, because in reality, at this time of being teenagers, what we want you to be is, we want you to be joyful, we want you to be involved with more people and talking with more people. So these are some of the things that the consequences of what is happening when you watch pornography. Now, the question that I have to you is, what type of relationship do you want to have in the future? If you want to have a healthy relationship with your girlfriend, start being self-caring. Start taking care of yourself. Start putting clear boundaries, self-control. Don't watch these type of things that you know are going to mess with your mind. Try to be, in a sense, pure for the person who will come in the future to you. And I think that is a beautiful thing, because once the two of you get together, the two of you will be able to experience so many beautiful things, but together as a couple. And that is something that I think is amazing. So I hope this video has helped you to see things differently. I hope this video has helped you to open your mind to different realities. And question is, what type of relationship you want to have in the future? And question number two is, do you really need to watch pornography? Thank you so much for watching us, and I hope to see you soon.